Okay, I'm gonna repair my impact today. I had video of when this thing broke, me making it work again for a little while. And what happened to the video, I don't know. If I come across it, it's gonna be added to this, so the bolts wouldn't stay in here anymore. These are 3mm Allen heads. This is a Cornwell CAT2125. Wasn't so sure I was going to be able to find parts for it. It is a pretty old impact. I've been here for 18 years, and I had this long before I came here. So I don't know, this impact's a good 22 years old, maybe 25, and I kind of like the thing. The one thing about this impact is right out of the box when I bought it, it's got the adjustment here for your different speeds. This never worked. It's full blast all the time. The thing I like about it is nobody will borrow this impact because they're afraid of it, and people break stuff with it, so I don't have to worry about people borrowing my impact. But I've gotten used to it. A lot of people make comments about my using it. I have developed some phenomenal, if I must say so myself, trigger control, and I can do anything I want with this impact, and I don't break any bolts at all. So we're pulling the whole anvil out, and what happened is right up in here you can see all of these broke out, and it got jammed up in there and it kept it from turning. So I took all the pieces out. There was enough left in there that it would hold together, and I could still use it. I went online and I looked, and sure enough I came across a place that had, actually two places that had it. One was quite a bit more with shipping than this place was. This was like $69 with shipping. It was $72, and the part number for this cover, they had all the parts, but the part number for this cover is RS2125101, and I should have got some other parts for it, but this is all I really need to make the thing work. And you notice it's got a flat spot right here that goes down towards where the trigger is. So we're going to put the whole anvil in here. There's no point in taking it apart. There's nothing I need out of there. Stick that right back together. Looks like they redesigned it just a little bit. That's going to help with my trigger. It's going to keep my trigger from turning on me like it was doing before. I thought after I don't know why I didn't think about it when I was ordering and stuff, but I should have bought that trigger piece. I think I should have bought the spring that was in there too, but didn't think about that at the time, and I should have put my bearing in there. I guess it helps if we put all the parts in. Get that back in there, right there. It's going to be better if we put it down here. Anyway, I should have probably bought the spring for my trigger also. Might should have even bought the little dial might fix the problem of it being full blast all the time, but I've gotten used to it. I'm not that worried about it. I don't want to have to learn how to use the thing again. I know exactly what kind of trigger pull I need to do what I need to do. So I'm not worried about it at all. This has been a really stout impact. It will do almost anything a 1/2 inch impact will do. And I don't have to heft that big old impact around all the time. Mostly all I use that big impact for anymore is really big stuff. Let's see. Doesn't seem to be sitting all the way down on there. Hope we didn't slide out. You sitting here jibber jabbering, not paying attention to what I'm doing. Alright, that's sitting all the way down. Alright, what do we got going on here? Yeah, let's see what happens when we tighten it down. Maybe it'll suck it up in there. Doesn't look like it's all the way down. Something ain't right. Okay. There's bushing in the front here. It's got to go in there. see how this comes out of there. Alright, just pushes out. Go wash this up a little. Put a little grease on the situation. Alright, come on now. Alright, that's pretty snug fitting. May have to go put this in the arbor press and press this in. Alright, let me go press this in. Alright, that was a really snug fit. My arbor was able to fit down inside there, so I just pushed it in with the arbor. Alright, line this up again. That might be a little bit of a trick right there. So it doesn't come with the grease zert either, which I did not know that. So I'm going to have to figure out how to get this one out of here and press that into this one. So if you order one, you might want to order that part also. I think getting it out will probably be okay. It's getting it in that might be a different trick. Something about that just ain't sitting right. Got a little much play, and that's about how much play is left right there. For some reason it's not sliding all the way up on here. So I wonder if it's because it's shaped a little bit different. sitting about the same. I think that's just the way it is. Alright. Now the messing around comes. There we go. Fins go in with the curved side to the back. Or middle, I guess I should say. It's the first major thing I've had happen to this gun, so it's already taken longer than I thought it would. Well, I guess let's see how it runs. Well, it runs okay. Alright. I'm going to figure out how to get this grease zerd out of there and how to get it into this one without screwing it up. Goes in right there. Once I figure that out, I'll come back. Okay, it wasn't near as difficult as I thought it was going to be. So I used a 1/8" punch to punch this out. It's just a little bit snug, but it knocked it right out of there. Cleaned it up. I used the grease gun, squirt grease through it to make sure I didn't screw it up. And then I used a 5/32 punch to set it back down in there. So we'll just grease this thing up. Alright, grease is coming out. So I think we're okay. pooching out now, so I think we're good. Little tech tip for you: keep your anvils from wearing out and your rings from wearing out. Get you a little 1-inch adapter and use that as your sacrifice instead of your anvil. Your impact will last a lot longer, and you won't have to do near as much maintenance to it, as long as you keep, you know, oil in it and grease in it. Should last quite a while. Alright, should be good to go. Catch you on the next one. I guess I did forget to mention where I bought the thing from. I got it from HCRC now, Lazar's floor jack. I don't know if they got any more in stock, but they did have it, and they had the complete breakout of this impact. So if you need that, it's who you need to contact right there.